Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Friday, February 8th, 2019. We finally got a full 5 days of school in this week. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. Across the board, Blizzard Bag 1 and 2 are due next Thursday and Friday, respectively. In science, there's a cell quiz on Tuesday. You can be using Quizlet to go through and study and prepare for that. In social studies, there is no homework. Language arts, journal number 7, that is optional, and that is for extra credit. So I would take advantage of that moving forward. Also, we need to make sure that we are reading for literature because our AR points are going to sneak up on us, and they're going to be due before you know it. Hopefully those of you that went to altitude this afternoon in 6th, 7th, or 8th period, you checked in at Warrior Time with your teacher for the class you're missing to make up any work, especially along the lines in math and literature. That's it for today. Everyone have a great weekend and stay warm.